Ngayong linggo nga mga bularo, opisyal lang inanunsyo ng SBP itong 12 players na sasabak sa magaganap na 4th window. Kung saan dito, marami ang natuwa matapos nang mapasama dyan si Kai after netong mawala sa nagdaang mga laban ng Pilipinas. Kaya naman sa isang panayam, di nakalimutan ni Soto na pasalamatan netong tiwala na binigay sa kanya ni Cone.
Kahit sino player, malaking bagay para sa player na magtiwala yung coach sa kanya, and ipapasalamat ako kay Coach Tim na malaking tiwala na sa akin, and lagi siyang grateful na makasama ako sa team, and sobrang grateful ko din na maging coach niya kasi simula bata ako nakakasama ko yung tatay ko sa mga Alaska practices niya, so parang may idea lang ako kung paano mag-coach si Coach Tim, and ngayon parang dream come true na din na dati nakapanood ko lang sila, and now coach ko na si Coach Tim. So yun, very happy lang na nakabalik na ulit ako dito.
Pero sa kabila ng pasasalamat na yan mula kay Soto, tila kabaliktaran naman ito sa natanggap ni Cone mula sa mga fans after magsalita ni Tim regarding sa lagay ni Brownlee at sa posibleng maging strategy ng Pilipinas ngayong window.
Well, he at this point doesn't feel like he's really healthy enough to contribute, and whether that's really injury or health, he was having some issues. Obviously, as we know from the last window, he wasn't able to play against Australia. We were hoping that those issues would be resolved by the time we played here, but as it turned out, he's telling us that he's just not healthy enough. In the meantime, we couldn't get Benny Boatwright his papers done. He still doesn't have his passport. He hasn't had his final approval yet, so we haven't been able to get that done. And then our other naturalized player that we would have brought, Ange Kwame, he is in France under contract. So we're going to be attending this window all Filipino.